Yeah, hello, Mr. Customers. We are doing a delivery of a marble stone to a customer in Accra. You see, these are pure marble stones for your house decoration. You see, marble stones for your house decoration. Whatever they give us a call, we do a delivery across the country. You see, we do a delivery across the country. You see, this be the red color. This be the gray color also. So whatever locate yourself, give us a call. Our service is available across the country. Basa hana kasa 4 lines ni peo. Yeah. So whatever they give us a call, we do a delivery across the country, as you can see. So just give us a call.